Most SUVs will bankrupt you within 5 years of purchase due to catastrophic transmission failures, engine problems, and electrical nightmares that strike right after warranties expire with the precision of a Swiss watch. The average SUV owner spends $4,200 annually on unexpected repairs and depreciation losses that destroy their financial future faster than a casino addiction. Imagine driving to work when your 3-year-old SUV starts making grinding noises. The check engine light flashes on, your transmission slips, and you pull over on the highway. Within hours, you're facing a repair estimate that makes your stomach drop faster than your hopes and dreams. $6,800 on a vehicle you still owe $28,000 on, which is basically like paying for 2 cars but only being able to drive 0 of them. Watch until the end, because today we're revealing 10 SUVs so dependable that they'll run longer than your favorite TV series and cost less to maintain than your coffee addiction. The Honda CR-V dominates the compact SUV segment by being exactly what most people need, like coffee on Monday morning, but infinitely more reliable. This practical crossover delivers space, efficiency, and reliability in perfect proportions, making it the obvious choice for smart buyers who read reviews instead of horoscopes. Honda refined the CR-V over decades until it became nearly perfect for daily life, like your most comfortable shoes that go with everything. The turbocharged engine provides surprising power while achieving excellent fuel economy more consistently than most people stick to their diet plans, and the interior fits more than seems possible from outside, like Mary Poppins' bag. Value-conscious buyers choose the Honda CR-V because it costs less to buy and maintain than most competitors. Your biggest problem will be keeping it when your kids want to take it to college, because it'll still be running perfectly after years of family use, like that cast iron skillet your grandmother passed down that's somehow better at cooking than any modern pan. Have you ever owned a car that just refused to quit no matter what you put it through? Drop a comment and tell me about it. The Subaru Outback gives you SUV capability that drives like a car and runs for decades. This adventure-ready wagon comes with standard all-wheel drive because Subaru believes everyone deserves good traction, like everyone deserves hot water in the shower. Subaru designed the Outback for people who actually use their vehicles for adventures beyond grocery shopping. The reliable engines run smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles like they're too stubborn to break, while the practical interior handles muddy gear like it was designed by people who actually go outside. Outdoor lovers choose the Subaru Outback because it goes everywhere and always brings them home safely, like a trustworthy friend. The Mazda CX-5 proves that reliable cars don't have to be boring like watching paint dry. This stylish compact SUV looks good and runs even better, like it was built by people who actually care. Mazda engineers created the CX-5 for people who want everything without paying crazy money. You get Toyota-level reliability with BMW-style driving fun at a price that won't make you eat ramen for months. The engines avoid turbo problems like smart people avoid drama, while delivering smooth power that feels expensive. Choose the Mazda CX-5 if you want an SUV that makes driving fun while lasting longer than most smartphones. If you're enjoying this, hit that subscribe button for more car reviews that save you thousands on your next purchase. The Toyota Highlander delivers 3-row practicality with the reliability Toyota is famous for. This family SUV fits 8 people without feeling like a bus. It also returns great fuel economy, especially in hybrid form, which saves money at the pump. Toyota built the Highlander to be the perfect family vehicle by making it reliable like your most dependable coworker who actually shows up on time. The hybrid powertrain saves money at gas stations, while the spacious interior gives everyone enough room to stay comfortable instead of fighting over space on long trips. Smart families choose the Toyota Highlander because it delivers exactly what you need every single day without any surprises. It starts reliably, runs quietly, and gets you where you're going without the stress of unexpected breakdowns or repair bills that make you question your life choices. The Mazda CX-9 proves that three-row SUVs can be both practical and fun to drive, like finding a healthy snack that actually tastes good. This family hauler delivers space for 7 while making every trip enjoyable instead of just bearable. Mazda created the CX-9 for families who refuse to give up on driving enjoyment just because they need 3 rows. The efficient engine provides plenty of power while using less fuel than expected, and the upscale interior rivals luxury brands that cost much more. Smart families choose the Toyota Highlander because it delivers exactly what you need every single day without any surprises. It starts reliably, runs quietly, and gets you where you're going without the stress of unexpected breakdowns or repair bills that make you question your life choices. The Honda Pilot makes family life easier by being the one thing that never breaks down, unlike your Wi-Fi or your teenager's attitude. This 3-row SUV fits 8 people comfortably while delivering the reliability Honda built its reputation on. Honda designed the Pilot for real families who need real space without real problems. The smooth engine delivers plenty of power while running quietly, and the spacious interior handles everything from car seats to camping gear to whatever your kids throw at you. Smart families choose the Honda Pilot because it runs forever on basic maintenance. The reliable V6 engine and proven transmission mean you'll spend your weekends enjoying family time instead of sitting in repair shop, waiting rooms, reading old magazines. The Toyota 4Runner refuses to break down like a stubborn mule. This legendary SUV keeps running year after year while other vehicles die wondering what went wrong. Toyota built the 4Runner to survive anything, including bad roads and worse drivers. The simple engine runs forever on basic maintenance, like it's personally offended by the idea of failure, while the tough construction handles abuse that would destroy most vehicles. When you buy a Toyota 4Runner, you're getting a vehicle that your kids will inherit because it'll still be running in 20 years like a good investment that keeps paying dividends. Off-road enthusiasts choose the 4Runner because it goes anywhere while delivering reliability that makes other SUVs look fragile. What's the most reliable vehicle you've ever owned that just kept going no matter what? Let me know in the comments. The Chevrolet Tahoe delivers full-size capability that lasts for generations like good furniture. This massive SUV hauls everything you own while treating passengers like royalty on smooth suspension that makes bumps disappear. General Motors built the Tahoe for families who need maximum space and reliability without the stress. The powerful engines provide enough power for towing literally anything you can legally pull, including boats, trailers, and your neighbor's bad decisions. When you buy a Chevrolet Tahoe, you're investing in decades of faithful service. The spacious interior fits 9 people comfortably, while the build quality ensures it'll still be running when those people have kids of their own. The Acura MDX takes Honda reliability and wraps it in luxury like putting a tuxedo on your most dependable friend. This 3-row luxury vehicle drives like a sports car but hauls like a minivan, giving you everything you want. Acura built the MDX for families who want luxury features without luxury problems. The smooth V6 engine delivers reliable power while the all-wheel drive system keeps you moving safely when roads get slippery. Smart buyers appreciate the Acura MDX because it delivers premium comfort with bulletproof reliability. You get leather and technology while keeping the dependability Honda is famous for. Finally, the Lexus RX 350 combines luxury with legendary reliability, making it the smartest choice in premium SUVs. This mid-size luxury SUV treats you like royalty while running like a Toyota, which is basically like getting gourmet food with the reliability of your grandmother's cooking. Lexus perfected the RX 350 by making everything work reliably for years, unlike your printer that breaks whenever you actually need to print something important. The smooth engine runs quietly year after year, while the luxurious interior maintains its premium look even with kids, pets, and coffee spills. Luxury buyers who think ahead choose the Lexus RX 350 because it delivers premium features without premium repair bills. You'll enjoy every mile while your neighbors with German SUVs spend quality time with their mechanics. These 10 SUVs prove that buying smart means buying reliable. The best SUV isn't the one with the most features, but the one that starts every morning for decades to come, saves you thousands in repair costs, and never leaves you wondering why you didn't do more research. Subscribe now for more honest automotive advice that saves you money and prevents expensive mistakes. Because nobody should have to choose between car payments and groceries.